Hello, welcome to Kesila Luxury Skincare. Today we'll be doing a air freshener. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed to our channels, try and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much, guys. We appreciate you. Please don't forget to share our video to your family, to your friends, to your neighbors, even to your enemy. We really appreciate that. Okay, now we'll be doing the air freshener, and we are just going to use only 4 ingredients for this air freshener. And this is a simple thing you can do in your home, in the comfort of your home, to keep your house refreshed. Okay, we are going to be using 4 ingredients for this video. We are going to use methanol, we are going to use menthol, we use tezapone, binder, water, which we'll be using to mix it. We're going to use fragrance, okay, which is perfume. We're going to be using 2 to 3 different types of perfume for this. Please continue watching this video so that you will see how we make it and the measurement. Like, share, subscribe to our channel, guys. Okay, let's move into the main video. Okay, the first thing we are going to be using for this is methanol. Okay, methanol helps to neutralize odors. It's a common ingredient used in air freshener. Okay, it's very, very important, guys. Note it, and please, it's highly flammable, so be careful when using it. We are using the second one, menthol. Menthol is a crystal substance. It's like a tablet, or what will I call it, but it's crystal. Okay, the next one we are using is tezapone. We are using tezapone. Tezapone helps air freshener to distribute the ingredients. The next one we are using is the one you're seeing now is our perfume we are using for it. You know, perfume is the main thing for the air freshener. That is what will give your air freshener good smell. It depends, is your choice. Any one you want to use, you use. But I'm going to use 3 different types of air freshener. The third one is not there. The fourth one I'm using is the binder. Okay, the binder is what brings all the whole ingredients together and give you a uniform state, to give it a uniform state. So it will make the products to come together. It make it not to spoil. It helps to prolong the fragrance of your air freshener. That's what binder does. Okay, guys, so let's move in as we mix it together here. Okay, I've measured out my methanol already. I've measured it out and I put the menthol inside it. I'm using 200 ml of methanol, and I put a teaspoon of this menthol inside it. So I put it there for you to dissolve. I'm using a tezapone. I'm using just a teaspoon of tezapone. On the binder, I'm using a 250 ml. Okay, I'm using 250 ml of binder. The water, I'm using only 2 liters of water. The perfume, I use 100 ml bottle. Okay, that's what I use. The color too, we use a color. I use color pink. You can use any color of your choice. That's what we use. So first of all, I'll be dissolving my tezapone, which you can see. I'll be melting it in water. It will take a little bit time for the tezapone to dissolve, so it takes a little time to dissolve it because it will not just dissolve easily. So it will take you a little bit time. So you can see I'm dissolving it. I first of all add a little bit water into the bowl. I add some water into the bowl. This is 1 liter that I measured out first. So I add a little into it to dissolve the tezapone. it was not really easy to dissolve it as such. Okay, but at the end it dissolved. So we don't need to use a lot of Tezapon because we are not making a soap. So, and I don't want it to foam. That was why I couldn't use my hand blender to blend it, because when I blend it will foam, because I'm not making soap. That's why I just has to use my spatula. I continue turning it until it dissolves before we continue putting the other things that we need to add up. Okay, so you continue just like few seconds or few minutes, continue turning, and you're adding the water, and continue adding your water a little bit by little, and you continue turning it until the Tezapon dissolve totally. So without dissolving it totally, we can't add other things. So you continue turning it until it dissolve, but don't be turning it with force, so that it will not be having a lot of foam in it. Yeah, our Tezapon has dissolved. Okay, you can see it's dissolved. So we'll be adding I'll be adding our methanol, which are mixed with the metal. I'm adding it into the bowl. So I'll be adding it little by little, be mixing it little by little. So that is methanol and the metal together. Okay, so the next one I'll be adding now is the binder. Okay, binder, there's different types of this binder. Some call it whitener, some call it binder. They have the ones that is white in color, they have this transparent one, so it's just different types of it. So I'll be adding it. I finished adding that. So what I'm adding next is our perfume. What we'll be adding next is our perfume. As earlier I told you the measurement we are using, which we still write in the description button. You'll still see the measurement. Now I'm adding 100 mils of the first perfume I'm using. So I'll be adding the 100 ml of the first perfume. Okay, yeah, that is the 100 ml of the first perfume I added into there. I'll also add the second perfume into the mixture. So the second perfume is, I'll add it into the mixture. This is our second perfume. Okay, in case you don't see the third perfume here, yeah, it was off camera because I needed this thing to be more stronger for my house use. So I needed a stronger perfume. So you have to just smell it when you're making it. You smell and see if the perfume is to your taste. If it's not to your taste, you can add more, because perfume is the main ingredient in an air freshener. Okay, I have added more water. I added more water into the mixture. Yeah, this is the 2 liter I used, so I added more water. Yeah, I added more water. This is a transparent binder, so you can use any one of your choice, the whitish one or this one. So the next one we'll be adding is our color. The next one we'll be adding into this is our color. You can get any color of your choice. You can use pink, you can use anything, blue, whatever color, green, any color that you feel that you love. But I love color pink in air freshener. That's why I'm using the color pink on it. So I just took a little bit because the pink, the Tezapon soaked it, so it somehow wet, and I don't want it to stain my hand. I have to wear my glove. Sorry, that's why I'm delaying there. I wore my glove so that I'll be able to add in the, you can see me adding the color into it. There is the color. I'm adding the color pink. There is the color pink I'm adding. You add the color to any the quantity you want to add. You want it to be more pinkish than this, if you want it to be more lighter, all just depends on you, on the as you add your color, okay? And the color depends on the one you like, so you add on it. This is very simple to make in your own, in the comfort of your home, and you will get a good smell or a good fragrance in your house. Okay guys, this place will be teaching women how to make household things that will reduce costs for you guys. So this is the pink. Is the pink is pinking, guys. You can see it. This is it. I'm still turning it. Now our air freshener is ready. This is the air freshener is ready. Okay, so the air freshener is ready. I'll be pouring it into a container that I'll be using to spray in my house to make it smell nice. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate, and don't forget to subscribe. Also turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified anytime we upload a new video.